As a matter of fact, me done with that, you know.
No,
Done it, done.
not take it so far, brother.
What do you mean?
Take it so far. Vicious.
Sure. Sure. So you feel me that, sure? You make me feel like one. I will go on. You have to even answer your phone.
Is me that surprise you?
Just. You make me feel like you have a woman over the star.
You think me that come catch a woman here?
Sure. Babe, you know, I hate this did that talk on the phone though.
Babes, me know man. But just the one go and mash up your head little bit.
Sure, babes. And me I hate this of a kick off. And I tell him say you should even do them thing there, you know.
I know you say you love me, you know, but every now and then, me have to test you. What numbers are those?
Numbers!
Yo, Vish. Not here for. Oh, no worry, I'm find it. Wait. One Vish. Movements again.
Yeah man,
Up for
do it man.
Empress.
Aye.
Glad to see you again, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So, Vish, make. Yeah, just deal with it for me. Vish. Yeah, a minute. But just with a second flush for me. Just in case any floater is there.
I'm not saying the pan fasting. Saying to come in and give and not still. So we have one go on.
But there, what go on?
You miss your still, you know?
I miss you too.
Sure. Wow.
So all the place I run.
Why I want to tell you say the place around good and everything alright, you know.
So, all the bar go on.
Bar up and running and everything, man. Everything active with the bar, same way, man. Same like over here. You see me and just you did missing.
Really?
Yeah, man, you're there now.
Oh.
So I pray, what you have plan?
I don't really have plan nothing or whatever, but come back as me say, Zime.
Yeah, man, be at once, so yes, yeah. We'll lock up the place, man, and move.
Babe, before we go down the yard, I have something I want to talk to you.
You know say something wrong, you know. The see say you not answer your phone. Tell me. How?
Who? What you talk about?
Fine, you find a man.
I'm not find a man. It's a man who me have already.
Yo, when you start?
Orlando, I'm a father and I'm sick. So I'm here to go take care of him.
Sure, stop around there and joke there with me now. Your father, so you have to go take care of him. So what that mean? You have to go live for him?
Yeah, babe. Babe, everything all good.
You know, talk about this.
Listen up. I can come every 3 months. And you go see me often.
Sure, you don't want to talk about it.
Orlando.
Sure, you come like an hour here, so I don't want to talk about this.